What do you reckon? What's the verdict?
I'm a detailer.
Ding dong, look what's been delivered for you, thanks to the team at Giraffe Tools, who we have an existing relationship with anyway, because we've got a couple of pressure washers from them. This time, due to a hosepipe ban, we've been sent this, a wall-mounted vacuum cleaner. Thanks to the guys there. In this video then, let's have a look at it. Let's get it out of the box. We'll give it a test and see just how good it really is. Yeah, I've wanted one of these for quite a while actually. You may see them on social media, people like ourselves doing test videos, and we have been sent this, full disclosure. So normally it costs around about £250, but you can get yourself some discount if you find people like us that's got them for test. Wanted one of these for a while. We've had great experience with the pressure washer. I use mine all the time. I've got the Grand Falls. Dad's got the one that's the internal mount here. But this looks quite handy for when we're doing our projects. Let's get it out of the box and have a good look at it. So first things first is to point out the fact that, well, it's quite heavy. It did take two of us to get us onto this table. In the box, what have we got, please, Mr. Man?
Temple plate.
Ah, yes, because it's fitting it to the wall. That's handy.
Put that safe.
You've got your template, put that somewhere safe. You've got your instructions and a little tool on there as well. This is so you can get it all set up and ready to rumble. We are going to do it without the instructions today. You've got some brackets.
We've had a bad experience of doing stuff without the instructions.
Yeah, well, you have. Yeah, you've got a filter here, air filter on there that goes on. You've got an extender bar and all sorts of accessories and bits and pieces in there. Our plan is to mount it in the garage, so when we bring the cars in, we can give them a good old hoover out. What we've got there, we've got some bolts, some retaining bolts, because you've got to put a couple of brackets on the wall. Oh, you've decided you are going to read the instructions.
Tells you can use it wet.
Can you? So it is actually a wet and dry vac. We didn't know that.
Oh.
I think it's like bagless.
If you want to use the wet mode, please replace the part 2 with the black sponge.
Ah, that's what
You
that
saw
is.
that, didn't you?
There you go. We have had this out
The pre-install filter is only for dry mode.
Good. Fair enough.
There you go. So you can use it wet according to the instructions.
How long is the hose?
30 foot.
Let's get it out of the box. Ah! Now we can see the unit. Why have you replaced your table with a workmate?
Because I'm a bit worried about my table.
Yeah, it's quite a heavy piece of kit. All I would say is make sure when you're mounting it to a wall, you're mounting it to a solid brick or block wall. You certainly wouldn't want to put it on drywall or plasterboard. Come on then, out you get it out. Out it comes. That's it. Oh, yeah. Job done. And for the purpose of this demonstration video, we are not going to mount it to the wall because we haven't got the space ready yet where we're going to put it, but we're going to plug it in here.
We're excited to see what it's like.
Yeah, we can't wait to get it
It's got a remote control or something.
Yeah, I don't understand what the remote control is about. Yeah. I'm going to show you the 30-foot reel. Here we go. Oh, I'm falling over the box. I'm going to show you the 30-foot reel. You got hold of it? You got hold of it? You got hold of it?
This, mate.
I'm still going. I'm about halfway there. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going.
That'll do you.
Stop.
That's
cool.
a lot.
Huh?
That's a lot, isn't it?
That's a lot of hose, isn't it?
Wow.
Well, we've proved there that your pipe is quite long. Yeah, I thought, to be fair, I was going to have to mount this sort of halfway in the garage. We could actually probably mount it on the back wall and have it reach sort of out here, which is where my van is, which is where we do a lot of our work. So far, so good. Yeah, inside here is it's nice and compact. So at the bottom here is your sort of like, well, dust tray and water tray and all that sort of stuff, and then it slides forward. So when you first get your unit, just undo it, take it off. You've got your motor in there and an air filter. And all in here are all the gubbins, mounting brackets and floor vac and nozzles and all sorts of stuff. We're hunting to find, oh look at that crevice tool.
Citron.
Yeah, we're hunting to find
The handle.
the handle. Remember how this all went together? Here it is, it's in there, look, there it is.
Oh, I see.
What's that got on there? Has it got a remote control? Wi-Fi. Ta-da!
That's a good
So
idea.
you can turn it on and off
You ain't got to keep nipping back
without
to
having to keep nipping back to it. That is a good idea. Click, on it goes. And we'll take out all these bits and pieces.
They've got lots of accessories and mounting brackets.
All the accessories in there. Look at the space for all the rubbish and dirt and dust and debris in there. Go on then, moment of truth please. We've put the nose hosel on and we've plugged it all in. Aha! Is it many speeds or just one speed? That's a useful feature, isn't it? You know what we need? A dirty old vehicle to test it on. Oh look! Look what we've got here. So the retraction hose here is on sort of like a, well, a ratchet, isn't it? You pull it tight and it pulls it nice and tight. Ah, there we go.
I think there's a kink in it somewhere.
Out it comes. Just like that. And now the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, dirty van. Good job I've got a man with a... Joking apart, the suction on that seems, well, very good, considering it's going through that system, through 30 foot of hose, into the bottom of my van. That's doing a good job of that. What do you reckon? What's the verdict?
I'm a detailer.
Good suction indeed.
It's a bit like Janice.
Do you know what I like? One of the most handy features on that,
Switch it off.
yeah, is the switch
You can switch
on
it
the
off
handle here.
while you trundle off to do something else.
Yeah, I like that. Let me have a go. Let me have a go with it. In somewhere where you haven't done yet. I'm quite impressed with that. Uh-oh, it's Workshop Vacuum Wars. Old Trusty with its, what, 2 metre hose versus the Giraffe Tools 30 foot hose. You're losing in hose already. So how are we going to compare the suction? That's the question, isn't it?
What I was going to do is get you to take your shirt off.
Yeah.
And I was going to stick one on each side of your upper torso
Yeah.
to see which hurts the most.
Let's do that. This isn't very scientific. But to be honest with you,
Yeah.
they've got a similar amount of suction. Ah, what are you doing? Suctionometer. Excuse me, what on earth is that you've got there? Synchro check from Krypton. I'm terribly sorry, sir. What is that? It's I can see it's the Krypton synchro check, but what does it do?
You stick it over twin carburetors to see if they're both sucking the same. This might not be suitable for this job. It might go off the scale.
Why not be very scientific? The workshop vacuum versus the Giraffe tools. If you want to do this experiment at home, get your Synchro checker out. Joking apart, there's not that much in there, considering that's got a very shorter hose and that's got a much longer hose. The actual suction loss is very minimal.
All that hose, yeah.
Thank goodness we had the handy Crypto Check suction machiney thing to do this test when Dad put that away in the garage, probably back in about 1950. Probably realised that was going to come in handy. Did you expect to be using that tool today?
No, I haven't worked on a twin SU carburettor vehicle for a long time.
Let's take.
You don't get through many MGBs in the workshop.
Let's take the tray off now and see just what we've removed from the van. So to empty it and undo it, you do this side, and this side. Obviously, bearing in mind this will be mounted to the wall, and then this tray will pull forward. Job's a good one. I mean, you can't say it didn't work because, well, it's removed all that from the bottom of my van. Let's talk about the downside of it though. It's rather large, isn't it?
It's enormous.
Can we get a tape measure and just give the good people the measurements? We thought about sitting it on sort of a shelf or on a workbench when we use it, but actually you've got to remove this base bit by sliding it forward. So it has to be mounted on the wall, else there's always going to be tension on that. So what's the length of it?
Are we going in English?
Yeah.
25.5 inches.
Okay, and in centimetres?
65.
We've just realised the measurements are on the box. That's the only downside for us not mounting it on the wall today. We need to find a space for it, and we're unsure about where we're going to put it at the moment, but we wanted to test it just to see if it was any good and see if we liked it before we start drilling into the wall. What's your first impression?
It's very, very good, isn't it?
It's a very powerful piece of kit. It's very useful. The fact that we've got that button on the wand there to turn it on and off is very helpful. There's a whole array of tools and nozzles and bits and pieces, and the fact you can use it wet and dry as well is very beneficial.
Right, yes.
What are you thinking?
Wonder if that's something to do with what switches it off when it's got full of water.
Potentially, yeah.
Because it needs something, doesn't it?
It's something to tell us. There's some sort of electrical contact on there. It could be just to tell us that it's sort of connected to the base, but it does work without the base on. It's one of those things, isn't it? Time will tell for us. We wanted to just show you it because we'd been given it. But a full sort of in the real world test will be coming over the next, 12 months, 24 months.
Well, we shan't be doing any pressure washer testing anyway.
No, we won't be doing any pressure washer testing, with the hose pipe ban. Let us know in the comments down below. Is there a bit of a gimmick? Because when I'd seen these on the internet, I definitely wanted one. I liked how easy it was, and I always tangle with the blooming hose pipe and all that sort of stuff, and bumping the blooming thing into my car doors and dragging it around. And I thought that would be nice and easy for us to have. What do you reckon?
Time will jolly well tell.
Subjectively, you've just come up with a very good point.
The wand is a bit of a handful when you're in a car.
Yeah.
Because with this you can get your hand close there and you can go where you want to be. With that wand you sort of be...
Yeah.
You're sort of a long way off.
Strain on the old wrist, I found, just when I was using it in the footwell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get that. And that's a good point, and what we're here for, we're here to be fair to things as well. If it was great, we would say it's wonderful, it's the best thing in the world. If there were downsides, we're going to point them out too. That is one of the downsides. One of the downsides, I think, as well, is this tray. It's going to be quite heavy to lift on and off, and you've got to really sort of hook it in and slide it in. for the sake of a couple of £100, would it be worth buying something a little bit different, a little bit branded, or is it worth getting one? Well, as I say, time will tell. The first impressions are it's okay, does the job. The hose, the length of the hose is incredible for what we want to do, and the ease of use in that it's just easy to pull it off the wall is also good. We did struggle to get it back on the reel a couple of times, probably because it's brand new. But I don't like, my personal opinions, I don't like this. I think that is going to be an absolute nuisance. Anyway, the Giraffe tools.
We don't know till we've got it on a wall, though.
No, vacuum cleaner, extendable hose, 30-foot.
Oh, I've filled my bin up with all the dirt out your van.
Let us know in the comments down below. It's a paid promotion in that we've got given it to do this video. But again, do your own research, do your own testing, and we will bring you this in other videos when we're doing the cars. Not 100% certain. But anyway, until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments down below. Giraffe Tools vacuum cleaner, a bit of a gimmick or useful? I'm sure it has its uses.
I'm interested to know from anybody that's got one.
Yeah, absolutely. Let us know. Long-term use. And we'll let you know as well. Till next time, thanks for watching. Us clocking about with a vacuum cleaner. See you later. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.